man was not concerned about the things of God. He wanted to just live his life the way he wanted to. And suddenly he was infected with this very bad sickness. And you know, his health began to deteriorate. There was a sense of helplessness. He was going to the best of doctors, but nothing was happening. Finally, his health became so bad that he had to be admitted to a hospital. Suddenly, he wanted to reach out to a church and, you know, ask the church to pray. The pastor from the church, you know, regularly would pray for this man. When this man was hospitalized, this pastor went to visit him, pray with him, read the word of God to him, comfort him in that time of distress. And this man, every time he would see the pastor, he would always say, I did not know that God's people can be so caring. If God heals me, I want to live for him the rest of my life. And sure enough, God began to answer the prayer of the church. This man's health began to improve. He was completely fine and he was discharged from the hospital. And so the pastor was excited. The church members were excited, looking to celebrate this, you know, this work of God in this man's life in the following Sunday at church. Man said he would be there at church. He was waiting to be at church. But on that Sunday, the man did not come to church. Pastor got in touch with the man. And the man said that he was busy that Sunday, so he couldn't come. He really wanted to come. The following Sunday, again, the man did not turn up. The next Sunday, he still did not turn up. Slowly, he began to, you know, not receive the call of the pastor. He began to avoid the pastor's call. And then after a few weeks, he sent a bag of samosas to the church. He didn't come. He sent it through another person. Told the man to pass on this message to the pastor that I'm extremely busy, so I cannot come to church now. I'm sending samosas for the church people. Thank you for praying for me. It caused so much of, you know, heartache to the church people. But this story also reminds me
কিন্তু এই ঘটনাটি আমাকে আরো স্মরণ করিয়ে
that
দেয়
a lot of times in my moments of helplessness,
এবং অনেক সময় আমার জীবনের এই অসহায় মুহূর্তে
I only want God to take care of the immediate physical needs.
আমরা কেবলমাত্র চাই যে প্রভু আমার তাৎক্ষণিক ওই শারীরিক প্রয়োজনটি
Or,
মেটান,
you know, take care of the emotional needs.
হতে পারে আমার ওই সময় সেই আবেগের সেই প্রয়োজনটি মেটান।
But we are not interested in, you know, God taking care of our spiritual needs.
আমরা কখনোই সেই সংবেদনশীল হই না যাতে ঈশ্বর আমাদের ওই আত্মিক প্রয়োজনটি মেটাক।
Dear friends, this morning, if you are feeling helpless,
আমার প্রিয় বন্ধু, আজকের এই সকালবেলা যদি আপনি অনুভব করছেন অসহায়,
Jesus is the only one who can help you in this situation.
প্রভু যিশু কেবলমাত্র একজন যিনি আপনাকে সাহায্য করতে
And when
পারেন।
he rescues you,
যখন তিনি আপনাকে সেই সাহায্য করেন,
please remember, he wants you to have a closer walk with him
মনে রাখবেন তিনি চান যেন আমরা তার আরো নিকটবর্তী হয়ে চলি
and lead a life that is honoring to him.
এবং এমন একটি সেই জীবন যাপন করি যেটি তাকে তার সম্মান দেয়।